What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tech Talk. Like always, let me start by saying thanks to all of you for subscribing to the channel and for supporting the channel. Okay, we are growing fast. You guys already know we hit 24,000 subscribers this week. So you guys give me that number one reason to keep making this type of videos weekly. Some of you agree, some of you don't agree all the time with my comments, but thanks for subscribing. So if you are new here, I want to personally welcome you to the channel, guys. This is the channel where I share my personal opinions with you on tech. No hype, just real talk, opinions, okay? Opinion based, that's the key. So if that sounds like your type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And let's talk about GoPro, okay? GoPro is making news for the past 2 weeks now because they got some new things coming out. So when people think about GoPro, first thing that comes to mind is action camera, okay? And it looks like that's going to change very soon. GoPro just announced a new line of camera with 3 new cameras, and they are different compared to your normal action camera. So right away, you can tell GoPro is taking this to a completely different level, different approach here. And the biggest highlight is the Mission Pro ILS. It is a GoPro that's finally let you change lenses, okay? I'm gonna be honest, this kind of camera, especially the ILS, might not be for your usual action camera, people out there. But for creators like me, YouTubers, okay, this might actually be a game changer. So let me give you 5 quick reasons why I think this camera will be good for creators, okay? Reason number 1, well, you can change lenses, right? You can swap lens for the first time with a GoPro, okay? You're not stuck with that ultra wide GoPro look that you get from the action camera from GoPro. Once again, you can switch lenses depending on your content. If you want to go wide angle, you can, cinematic, zoom, whatever fits your style. Reason number 2, more creative control over your camera, okay? The Mission Pro ILS gives creators that ability to shoot more professional looking footage, okay? Get better framing, better storytelling, and more control over your visuals. That's why I'm saying this is not just an action camera anymore. Reason number 3, that camera potential. This camera sits right in between an action camera and also a mirrorless camera, okay? That is a plus. So if you don't want to carry heavy gear, this could be your all-in-one content machine. Reason number 4, it is still compact and very portable. Something that you don't get with big mirrorless cameras. So even with all these upgrades, it's still a GoPro in terms of size, okay, in terms of DNA. That means it's still lightweight, very portable, easy to travel with, perfect for creators on the go if you're looking for more power without the bulk. Reason number 5, the ecosystem potential here is huge. This is where it gets exciting. If GoPro commit to this kind of system, we could see more lenses, more accessories, more pro level features for this camera. I'm talking about the ILS version. This could be the start of a whole new ecosystem, not just a single camera. So yeah, the Mission Pro ILS is not for everyone. I'm gonna say this one more time. The Mission Pro ILS is not for everyone. But if you are a creator who wants more than just an action camera, this might be one of the most exciting things coming from GoPro in years. So let me know in the comments below, guys, would you switch to something like this, okay? Or are you sticking with your normal action camera GoPros? Let me know, okay? I like to hear from you guys, okay? So if you enjoy this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it, okay? If you are new here, don't leave if you don't click that subscribe button. And as always, take care of yourself, guys. Watch out, be careful out there, and I'll catch you very soon in my next video coming very soon, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you next time.